Hello everyone, welcome back to TinaTeach Bootstrap 5 colors. We're going to be talking about text colors and background colors, okay? First off, meaning through colors. How we can convey different information based on the colors. And in Bootstrap, these are called contextual classes, as I've written here. And we have a bunch, right? We have the class text muted, text primary, text success, text info. So through these, you can easily tell the meaning through the colors, all right? And this is not just for text contextual classes, can also be used for background colors, and I'll be talking about that over here. Now, before that, let's dive in a little bit with opacity. Very simply, you just put a number behind, for example, text black 50. And 50 here refers to the 50% opacity, okay? Text white 50, so the text is colored white and the opacity is 50. BG dark on a dark background or a black background. Now, to the background for text. Same syntax, the only change is that instead of text, like up here, we have BG for background, right? So you have background primary, success, info, warning, so on and so forth. But with BG alone, it only gives you the background color. There's currently no text whatsoever. But if you want to combine both text and background, you go with text BG and then, info or success or warning. Now, I want to mention that these, by themselves do not work well with text. You have to specify the text color or text primary, text info class with these if you're going to use them separately. Okay, just like up here, you cannot just say BG dark and then just assume Bootstrap will figure out the text color. You have to specify text white and then BG dark. However, you can do this format, the syntax right here, text BG color or text BG, success info warning, light dark. The color is just a placeholder for these things in the back. And if you go for that syntax, Bootstrap will automatically handle the appropriate text color for each background that you put into it, right? So text BG primary, text BG info is bluish. So Bootstrap will figure out whether or not it'll use the black or white color for the text. Let's start with a div, class, container, fluid. And in here we're going to have a header, contextual colors, and then background colors. P, class, text, info. We're going to do 2. This text is an info. Down here, P, class, text, warning. This text is a warning. Okay. Let's go down here and let's have a text and then background. P, class, text, white with 50% opacity. Background is dark. White text with 50% opacity. Next up is, background, div, class, BG, primary, okay? And we're going to have padding. No need to put anything in here. Div, class, BG, I'm going to go with success, P5. Now, let's combine both text and background. P, class, text, BG, secondary. This text is secondary. P, class, text, BG, I'm just gonna go with danger. This text is a danger. Contrast to save. So this is what we have. We have our H2 heading over here, and then we have this text is an info, this text is a warning. As you can see, they all have their own colors. Next up is white text with 50% opacity, and black background. Over here, there's just background. There's no text, and we've added padding, right? So that's why it looks pretty big. Next up is this text is secondary. So Bootstrap has chosen white text on these two backgrounds, and it really does pop. It has a good contrast. All right. Now that's it for Bootstrap color. Next topic is going to be about Bootstrap tables, so do tune into that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Learn today, better tomorrow, and thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.